Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these functional equations? We are given f of x equals exponential to the power x divided by x. Then, what is f inverse of x? So does this relation exist? So let's see how we can find f inverse of x. E is Euler to the power of x, and we have this as over x. If you know how to solve this, we can drop it in the comment box before start solving it. The question says f of x equals e to the power of x divided by x. So what we do first is, suppose I let f of x equals, we choose another letter. If I choose t, for instance, and I want to make x the subject of the formula, we multiply these two sides by f inverse, as we have f inverse multiplied by f of x equals f inverse of t. So if this and this cancelled, then we have x equals f inverse of t. And let's replace f of x with t. Then we have our t equals e to the power of x divided by x. And I want to make x the subject of the formula. How can we do that? The relationship is not the same. This is exponent and this is a linear. So how can we take the power of this x down and factorize to make x the subject of the formula? It's very simple. If I write this expression as e power x divided by x, still the same as equals t. Suppose I do flipping. Let's say I flip this. We are going to have x divided by e to the power of x equals 1 divided by t. And if we have a divided by, suppose we have a raised to the power of n, we have this as a first multiplied by a raised to the power of minus n. So we change this e power x to x multiplied by e raised to the power of minus x. So here we have x times e power minus x equals 1 divided by t. So at this point, suppose I introduce negative to both sides. We have this as minus x multiplied by e raised to the power minus x equals minus 1 divided by t. Why is this negative here? So I want to apply a function called Lambert W functions, or you can also call it product log. So to apply that, we must make sure that the coefficient of this exponent, which is minus x, and the power of this exponent must be the same. It was only x before, then I introduced negative to make the two equals. So after this, then we can now introduce our functions. But what's the formula for the functions? If we have the w of a exponential of a, this is Lambert omega functions. Having something of this nature, so we should be expecting the output of a, which is only this coefficient, or we consider the power of exponents. That is, when we introduce their function here, we are going to take out only minus x because of this template. When we introduce the template, we have minus x e raised to the power of minus x equals minus 1 divided by t. Then w of minus x e raised to the power of minus x equals the w of minus 1 over t. By the formula, we have minus x equals the omega of minus 1 divided by t. So after this, let's take negative to that side. We have x equals minus omega of minus 1 divided by t. This is x. We have made x the subject of the formula. But what is now f inverse of x? When you recall that we have already let x to be equals f inverse of t. Replacing x here with f inverse of t, we are going to have f inverse of t equals minus omega of minus 1 divided by t. And let's switch x, the t back to x, as we have f inverse of x equals minus omega of minus 1 over x. This is the result of this. And if you try to verify if this is truly equal, we can plug the questions in the Wolfram alpha. So we see that the result will give us minus omega of minus 1 over x. And this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. And if you have another method of solving this different from this, you can drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.